on behalf of the whole team at the LPI, welcome to Learning Live 2024. So much excites me about this year's Learning Live.
Lots of community, lots of conversations, lots of collaboration.
I've met people from the Middle East, from America, from all over Europe and here in the UK.
Had some fascinating and interesting speakers, lots to learn, lots to share, and this sort of feels like home, so it's great.
Very energising, and it's great to hear what your peers are doing. And there's something about finding your tribe, talking to other people who share your challenges.
Connecting a lot of L&D leaders together to talk about what challenges they're facing, what the future of this industry looks like.
This conference particularly, above many others, the quality of the conversations to take learning and development forward is what I think really sets this apart. This is really about what do we all want to do together.
It's peer learning at its best.
Very few time wasters. You know, that's why people come here. They want to make connections.
Just struggling to get to my session because I've got 4 or 5 people who I haven't seen for a while but want to talk to me, who I've met through the LPI.
I guess we've got a happy hour in 30 minutes. So food, drinks, more connection, and hangouts with the LPI community.
The number one challenge for CLOs and learning leaders is artificial intelligence, and I'm really keen to hear from all the people here as to what they're doing about that. Zach Cass this morning was talking about how it can affect humanity.
And we are observing some strange socio-cognitive trends among younger generations right now. Primarily, we think, because of their addiction to their devices.
It's like this incredibly challenging world that we've got at the moment where the technology's there and can enhance our lives, but we still need to look at humanity.
We still need people. I think we're all in the people business. I think if we concentrate on those human-centered skills, we'll be in a good place.
60% of the workforce will need to be reskilled. The life shelf of skills, you will know, it's not what it used to be.
I think there's so many different ways it can help us as a sector, both obviously to help us do our work, but it's also our job to help our businesses, our organisations, our customers understand how to really take the value out of the technology and implement it safely in the businesses.
We see this as a high quality event for learning leaders. It's great for those people to be able to network with other learning leaders, so it's the same calibre, same experience. The vendors are super happy because they get to see the people that they really want to talk to, and the speakers are speaking to decision makers.
There's a few conversations that have definitely excited me, and it wouldn't have happened if I hadn't attended here, so that's the short and small of it.
Definitely worth coming along, definitely worth participating.
Always the right kind of conversations with the right kind of people.
Somebody just told me this is the best event they've been to in learning and development.
It's a great social networking event.
You know, the LPI delivers once again.